In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of Facebook password reset code not being received problem. So you are trying to reset your password. When you put a code, you are not getting it. It's not coming. So you click on didn't get code, and then there are other options. You may be asked to send it to another device which you are logged in. So that one you will see it under the notifications. And then sometimes they may show you other contact details that are here. And then if you try that and you still, maybe you try any of the other contact details that may show and it still does not work, then the last option I would recommend is, if you look below, for most of you, you will see something like need another way to verify, and that particular option is for an ID card. And so when you click on that, they will ask you to upload your ID, and so make sure that it is an ID that has your first and last name and your date of birth. So in that case, you can upload the ID. When you click on that option, they will ask you to upload your ID. You upload your ID, and then after 48 hours, normally within 48 hours, they will respond to you with a code in your email, and then you follow the instructions on your email to be able to log in. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.